awesome channel. Take it. Take it.
Viewers, welcome back to the channel. How you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing great. I know if you do, you know. I know me I talk about this. Everybody up, let's press the thumbs up, man. Right now, this video I'm about to show, I have to make it clear to all in rain that fall. When I'm ready for asphalt. You understand? So I'm rain that fall and the place get dark. So right there, so when I do the asphalt, it kind of dark away, but I still have to show no viewers to make you see what going on in the work in progress, the redevelopment of St. Thomas. You understand? So this starring is taking place right top side, Fonthill and past Fonthill and come up there, so that's where the star is taking place. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? So I hope you all enjoy it and every little thing. So just watch out the ads and them thing there for me saying and do they do. Bless up, man. Manners and respect. Viewers and subscribers, it look like it's all about Alcara go do some tarring. Because the machine that what you're looking on, yeah, the Alcar machine them there, you know. That's not cement, that's Alcar, so look like them about to do some tarring. So as long as them do some tarring, just continue watch the video, you will see if they do any tarring. Because we're just looking at the machine line up. And the machine look tarish to me, like a tarring time. So let's hope and pray now. But as long as you subscribe to the channel, you will see what's going on in the work in progress, the redevelopment of St. Thomas. You understand? So all these machines you see, line up ready. Yeah, so let's hope and pray. Okay? While viewers are in a fall and little tar in a go on, so I have to try to show you because the glass I go look away, but just hope you can see. So this tarring is taking place right after bottom side Georgia Coley before you reach Fonthill. That's where this tarring is taking place. Yes, the place is mall for all long. So we are getting some tarring now. Yeah, a long time a place a mall in and now a place a mall. Place a mall all long now. So it was well set. A place at the first place. Yeah man, the place at the first place. Mall. So as me say, coming from Seafood side, right before you reach Coley, coming from Trinityville as you leave Coley. Yeah, a place a mall, maybe about 2 years now the place a mall. I don't know. So give thanks to know so some asphalt drop on it. Yeah, you see it viewers and subscribers. So we say if everybody up you know what to do, you know, just press the thumbs up. Show me say you know, just do the do. Viewers and subscribers, family subs, you know the motto, you know, if everybody up, just press the thumbs up and show me so you know, up, you know, man. You know if you do, they do, you know. Just subscribe, like, comment and share. You understand me? I say make we have a reason down in the comment section. There's something that come to mind and me see and me need enough to see viewers. Take a look at this. This is a curve van. This thing put here for the water to run. Look on it. Look on it, viewers. Do you see the water running on it? Look where the water running. Viewers, take a good look. Comment down in the comment section and tell me. When you talk about building curve, look on the curve and look where it runs. You see where the curve and run? Now look where the water is running. And I guess that's the purpose of the curve on. For the water should run on it. So I guess this needs to correct. Because the road don't asphalt as yet, as you can see. So hopefully when them final it, the water can get to run in the curve, because that's where it's supposed to run, not on the road. If it run on the road, it will destroy the road. So as far as you people can look, take a look. As far as you can go. As far as you can go, take a look. Take a look. As far as you can go. You see it? As far as you can look. Water not running in the curve. Water runs sideways upon the road. So I hope they can correct this. As you notice, it don't asphalt as yet. So I hope that when them asphalt it, it correct. So I showing you this mistake from early, viewers and subscribers. We're glad for the road. And we're glad to know say yes, we are get a road and all these things. But as me telling already, Jamaica is too poor for us to make the mistake of spending the same money over and over to do the same thing. We are a third world country, we are not first world country. So whatever the contractor them do, just do it in a wise way, man. Do it in the best way, man. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? So just take a look at this. Comment down in the comment section. Okay, viewers and subscribers.